Hi guys, today I was watching the latest video from Theo from T3, and he's talking about Firebase Studio, reviewing it, and he tries to build a small application about organizing parties, something like that. And he really struggles on many things about, for instance, the backend not being implemented, this kind of thing. So I thought like maybe let's give it a try with proofs. So I reused exactly the same prompt and I tried zero shots, so meaning no modification whatsoever. So you can see first it generated some specification. So obviously because they are different from what Firebase Studio returned, we'll build a slightly different product or prototype. In this case, for instance, we can see here a couple of functional specification, creating the event, invitation, event dashboard, and then we have some more technical specification about the layout, even data handling, invitation process, and so on and so forth. A small sitemap and the general description of the layout. So I just accept that, and then it came up with a pretty decent plan, 5-step. So bootstrapping Next.js, building the layout and navigation first, just to have a small, let's say, working front-end prototype, something fast, and then implementing each of the pages, implementing the CRUD for the event manipulation, and yeah, basically that's it. We can see here that I don't know if I go back up a little bit. So we have here the creation of some of the files, the types, the data, the event cards, and the main page here. So then it tries. We have our uh, visual inspector that tries to evaluate if we have a proper layout and all the data that we wanted to generate, and also the data that's been inserted directly in the database. So it works, and we can see also something interesting a little bit lower. So really testing the interaction with the website. So for instance, here we have the UI interactivity. So we can see here that it validates the fact that the form works properly by entering events, clicking on the button, and see if there is what was here. Yeah, just checking even if we are displaying error messages when we submit a form that is not filled properly. And we have this kind of verification all along the way. Here we can see updating, editing the form, and these kind of things. At the end of the day, here is the front end. So let me just open it here. So we have only 2 events: anniversary dinner, future gala. So these are like synthetic data, celebrating decades of love. Let's see. Well, we have some details. That's a little bit sad for anniversary dinner to have only 1 person invited, but yeah, I can cancel it. I can delete it. That's too sad. Right. Can I create a new event? Probably. Let's see. All right. So let's party. Let's do today. All right. Okay. Cove Poland. And well, you can join later if you want. But okay, so we don't have any validation here, but I guess if I come back here, do I have, yeah, so there's my party here, so I can see the detail. And I will attend my own party. So yeah, I guess that's it. The result is pretty decent, I think. The only thing that is missing is really having a backend with PostgreSQL, for instance, or an integration with Supabase or stuff like that. So technically, right now, we could use PostgreSQL, and for Supabase, we'll just have to provide a little bit more information to the AI to work on that. Same thing with the authentication, but that's something we can add fairly easily, but at least we have something working zero shot, and I can work on that from now.